and welcome to Powerhouse 91. Powerhouse 91 helps you to take your brand to the next level. We provide a lot of tips, tricks and techniques on how you can take your e-commerce business to the next level. And today let's talk about the key metrics which Amazon sellers pay attention to. So let's get started. As we all know, Amazon provides a deeper insights of all the products, all the keywords and everything which you have listed, and that gives you a insights on whether your customer is really viewing the product, how much of them are clicking on the landing page and then going ahead and viewing your product and then buying it. You get all of these features in your Amazon insights, but as well I want to tell you the three most important insights or the matrix which you should pay attention to and how you can improve these. So let's go. So the most successful sellers on Amazon pay attention to these three key matrices, which are: first one is search results for the product, second one is the listings of the product, and the third one is the customer response to the ads. So let's go ahead and talk about each one of these in detail. So the first one is search results of the products. Search results of the products is basically whenever your audience or your customer types a keyword, is your product seen on the page? How relevant are your keywords, and your images can also play a very important role in getting search results of your product. Make sure that your title is short and it also has meaningful keywords in it. Do not just go ahead and keep on adding keywords and make it too long. Make sure to keep it short but concise, and also adding smart images, also adding clear images which help the audience to gravitate their attention is also a very important thing, and images can also make a huge difference. Changing the title, image and also the price of the product is important. You can change it from time to time. This also helps you to get a lot of landing page views and then also sales in the future. Now, one thing you can do is also pay attention to your reviews, because people usually first look at the reviews and then go ahead and buy the product. So it is really important to have good amount of reviews to your product page. The second one is listing of the product. What does listing of the product really mean? It means about a description. You need to have a clear description about the product in the listings of the product section. A description is very important. Make sure to add suitable keywords. Do not overflow your description with a lot of keywords. Just add concise, suitable keywords and explain everything about your product, how your audience can use it, when they can use it, what to do if something goes wrong, instructions just for them to keep in mind to use the product fully and thoroughly. A good product description also helps the customer to know the product really well, and also it can initiate them to go ahead and purchase the product. Now the third one is customer response to the ads. Now if you're running ads on the Amazon storefront, you need to pay specific attention to how your ads are performing on the Amazon storefront. Also you need to check the percentage ratio on how they are performing and at what percentage people are responding to it. Let's talk about it. Now these are the two things which you need to keep in mind. The first one is click-through rate and the other one is ad cost per sale or advertising cost of sale, ACOS. So let's talk about what is click-through rate. Click-through rate is basically the ratio between how many people are watching the page and how many people are going and clicking on the link and then going and watching your landing page or your product page. So usually a click-through rate above 0.15% is considered good. So make sure you have that. If you do not have that, you can go ahead and make some changes to the title of your ad, to the images of your ad, even some bits of description. Add some videos or great 3D images to your ad, which can increase your click-through rates for the ad. Now ACOS or advertising cost of sale is known as basically how much money you have spent versus how much sale you have received by running this ad. The aim here is to maximize as much as you can and get return on every rupee which you have spent. You can also look at your Amazon insights and try to get as much as purchases as possible. Now these were the three important things which Amazon sellers are paying attention to the most, so you can definitely go ahead, write your notes down. Now we all know challenges are there, and in e-commerce businesses challenges are everywhere and it is there for you. Now to cope up with these challenges, you can go ahead and pay attention to the tools which I have mentioned in this video and also on all of the other videos which we have posted on this channel. Now this is where Powerhouse 91 comes in help for you. Powerhouse 91 has been helping business to build their online business and to take their business to the next step. If you want to know more about the tips, tricks and hacks on how to grow the business in the right way, how to scale your business and truly take it one step ahead, then definitely follow Powerhouse 91. You can click the link in the description, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned because we are going to be posting so many more videos, and I will see you next time.